Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Want to create a user-friendly checkout page in OpenCart. In this tutorial we will show you how to set up and customize your checkout page to make it easy for customers to complete their purchases. Let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first of all, go ahead and open OpenCart.com. Go ahead to their website and make sure to log into your account. This is very important, guys, for this video, so make sure to log into the website in case you didn't have one. Make sure to click on register and create an account within their own website. And guys, for this specific video where we are going to actually follow an article from WebCall. It is basically a very good tutorial that will explain to us how we can open cart, custom fields, create the checkout page, and more. So, OpenCart checkout custom fields allows the admin to add the custom fields to the checkout page so that the admin can gather more information from the customer. The module allows the admin to add the custom fields at the time of checkout on the payment address, shipping address, payment method, and shipping method. Check out the plugin workflow at the storefront along with the initial setup. So the features: you can add multiple custom fields to the custom group, add the custom group to the payment address, shipping address, payment method, and shipping method. Login customers can use these custom fields. This module supports the multilingual feature. The fixed percentage operation for the charges rate of the custom group is available. The admin can also create custom fields without zero price rates, and the admin can choose to set the fields as required or not. For the installation, first extract the download zip file. After that, open the correct OpenCart version folder according to the OpenCart version installed in your system. First, extract the downloaded zip file. After that, open the correct. So this is basically the repeatedness. And as you can see, then upload admin and catalog to the OpenCart root directory. Once you have uploaded the file, then log into admin, and from the catalog section, go to extension installer and upload the XML version below 2.3.xx or zip file. The zip file can be found on OCMOD folder under the module directory. Under the OCMOD folder, you will find the checkout custom field ocmode.zip file. Then refresh modifications. The user can navigate throughout the extensions modifications, then click the refresh button as visible in the below screenshot. As you can see right here, this is a screenshot. So extension right here, and the modification, it will be going to this page. Now after you've done that, click on edit user groups. After that, go to system, users, user groups, and then edit administrator. As you can see here, select all for both access permission and modify permission and save it. So as you can see here, select all, and go ahead and save it right through here. After that, modules. After that, navigate extensions, order total. Find the OpenCart checkout custom field from the list and install it. And then after the installation, the modules will be listed as shown in the image below. As you can see, extension, and they will be all able to be visible right here. Admin configuration. After the successful installation, the admin can configure the OpenCart checkout custom fields module without any issues by navigating to extensions, order total, and clicking on the edit option. The configuration page will open as shown in the image below. As you can see right here, the admin can configure the following fields: status, enable, disable. The module is based on the requirements. Title: the admin can set the title for the OpenCart checkout custom fields and can set it in multiple languages as desired. Display group, price, and sort order. You can now add custom fields. So moreover, after configuring the module, the admin needs to create the custom fields that are to be added to various sections of the checkout. The admin can add or edit the custom fields by clicking on the edit or plus button as shown in the image below, as you can see right here. So you can click on plus right here, or edit one of these ones that already exist, or simply delete. So before you delete, you can hover here on this areas like here and make sure to check them, and then you can delete them. So you can mark those who you want to remove. After that, on clicking the plus button, the admin will be able to add the custom field as desired by filling up the information as mentioned below. So here we are creating a new field. So the field is enabled. Custom field name, give it a name. Here type, text, category, for example jobs, fashion, etc. Customer group, default, demo, required, check or not, and source order 0. So the status of this custom field can be set to enable or disable. The custom field name, the admin can input any field name as desired. The field name can be added in multiple languages, which is very good. Type, the admin can set the input type to choose like select, radio checkbox, input text, text area, file, date, datetime, date and time. Category, here the admin can set the categories for the particular custom field. So whenever the customer checks with the product associated with these categories, then this particular custom field will come up at the checkout page. For example, you ordered pizza or something like that, then it can come something in the category that says, or in that like options within the checkout that says, for example, remove onions or remove things like that. So these options can be very helpful. You can add them as a checkbox also. So this can, like, the restaurant can receive the information that these clients will not need onions in their food, something like that. Customer group, the customer group for which the custom field will be available can be set. Required, the admin can define whether the field is required or not. So for example, in our case or my example, then it is not required. So it is only required if they don't want that specific onion removed from their food. So it is not really required. Then source order, the source order of the custom field based on which it will be displayed. The source order will be the value 0 is the highest priority. Then custom group, so after that the custom fields are added, the custom group is created, and custom fields are assigned to a specific custom group, and so go on. And basically this is how you can create a new field and custom fields within your website. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I would be more than happy to answer all of your questions one by one. So with that being said, thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.